Hello, magnificent manifestors. Welcome to your week 5 of your incredible manifestation masterclass. Wow, can you believe how far you have come? I am beyond proud of you for taking action and embracing this transformative journey. Now give yourself an applause. Take a little moment right now to really reflect on these past 4 weeks and just give yourself a big bear hug to just embrace how far you've come. Like, wow, you are truly amazing, and I am honored to be a part of your journey to greatness. So let's continue with the same passion and enthusiasm that has brought us this far. First up is the scripting questions method. This is a powerful technique to fuel your manifestations with clarity and purpose. This method helps you identify your deepest desires and align them with your soul's purpose. By asking thought-provoking questions and writing out detailed answers, you activate the manifestation process with intention and precision. Now it's time for you to give it a try. Do your scripting work. Write down a story about your manifestations as if you're writing a novel about your own life. Be detailed, have fun, explore, and just embrace it. This is so much fun when you write out everything you desire as if it's a book and you're really writing about your future. So do this and have a great time with it. Next up, we have the Enlightening How Did I worksheet. Get ready for some mind-blowing revelations. So the How Did I technique is really fun because you're asking a question to the universe as if your desire has already become your reality. So maybe you want a specific job. You want a tech job. We'll give that example. So you would say, how did I get such an amazing tech position? How did I do so well in the interview to land this dream job of mine? See how we're doing this? We are speaking as if it already happened, but we're asking the universe to answer that question for us with the How Did I technique. So do as many How Did I affirmations as you can. Be detailed and specific. You can say, how did I become so wealthy? How did I become so healthy? How did I get my dream house? There's so many fun ways to do this, but really enjoy this part of the workbook. And your affirmation of the week is, I raise my frequency to receive more wealth. I am smart, capable, and talented. I am financially free. Remember to write your affirmation 5 times and say it out loud and in your head throughout your week. Enjoy it. I know you all have been doing your affirmations these past weeks, but keep going with the new affirmation for this week. And powerful creators, don't forget to do your week 5 recap. This is the golden thread that weaves your dreams into your reality. So let these tools remind you of your power and how far you've come on this inspiring journey. Congratulations, powerful creators, for completing your week 5 manifestation masterclass. You are stepping into your true power and creating a life of magic and abundance. Use the scripting questions method to anchor your desires and let the How Did I worksheet inspire you to unleash even more brilliance. Remember, the universe is ready to conspire in your favor. Until I see you again next week, I want you to keep scripting your dreams and celebrating your growth. And like you have for the past several weeks, keep using your power to manifest your deepest desires. You are writing the most extraordinary story of your life. I'll see you next week.